The first sentence is मुझे नहीं मालूम. In English, it is called I don't know. Repeat after me.
I don't know.
Second sentence is मुझे मालूम है. In English, it is called I know. Repeat after me. I know. The third sentence is मैं समझ गया हूँ. In English, it is I understand. Repeat after me. I understand. The fourth sentence is मैं नहीं समझा. In English, it is I don't understand. Repeat after me. I don't understand.
I don't.
The fifth sentence is बराहे करम इंतज़ार करें. In English, it is called please wait. Repeat after me. Please wait. The sixth sentence is बस एक लम्हा. In English, it is called just a moment. Repeat after me. Just a moment. The seventh sentence is यहाँ आएं. In English, it is called come here. Repeat after me. Come here. The eighth sentence is चलें. In English, it is called let's go. In English, let's go. Repeat after me. Let's go. The ninth sentence is मैं आ रहा हूँ. In English, it is called I'm coming. Repeat after me. I'm coming. The 10th sentence is मैं जा रहा हूँ. In English, it is called I'm leaving. Repeat after me. I'm leaving.